Hi, and welcome to Easy Ways to Make Money Online with Income Replacement Academy. This is video number 1 in a mini-series, and we'll concentrate on easy ways to make money online. My name is Dr. Pete, and I am a dentist turned online entrepreneur. Now, in a moment, I'm going to show you the easiest and quickest ways to make enough money online to replace your income. If you want to make money without breaking the bank, even if you haven't made a penny online before, now I will show you how to in this mini course of short videos. Now, there are hundreds of ways to make money online, but there's a problem. Many of them are scams, which are only interested in parting you from your money while giving very little in return. I'm going to guide you through some of the best and safest ways to succeed and not fall into shiny object syndrome by continually buying the latest hack or software that promises to make you a millionaire but is actually junk. Unfortunately, I'm very well qualified to talk about this, as I suffered from this syndrome for years before I kicked the habit and finally got back on the right track. I haven't looked back since. There are a number of ways for you to make a lot of money online, and here are just a few of the best ones. Firstly, physical products. These can be sold on big marketplaces such as Amazon and eBay. If you get a good product, it can lead to being very, very rich. Number 2, digital products. The info product market is absolutely huge and growing all the time. A good tip is to create a digital product around one of the things you love or are passionate about. That way you can be dealing with something you love and making money at the same time. Number 3, blogging. This can take a little time to get some traction, but will provide free traffic for a long time to come when done properly. Number 4, make a membership site. This is when people will pay you a recurring monthly fee. You create the content once, but are paid many times over without doing any further work. Your content should keep people engaged and wanting more. Number 5, videos. The video market is massive and is dominated by YouTube. A viral video can make you a fortune, but there are many more ways to use YouTube for profit. Number 6, working from home. If you have a particular skill, for example, if you're a good copywriter, then there are many companies that will pay you for each piece you write for them. The opportunities are almost endless for the right people. Number 7, building a list. You may have heard the phrase, the money is in the list, and this is absolutely correct. Once someone is on your list, you can market your offers to them at no further cost. And that leads me to my promise earlier on to show you the easiest and quickest way to make money online that works for both beginners and experts, and that is affiliate marketing. This is when a company will pay you a commission for helping to sell its products. You normally get a good percentage of the cost of the product as a finder's fee, and not have any of the issues or problems of customer support. This can be a hassle-free way to earn very good money. Millions can be made, but more realistically, you can easily replace your income online doing this, and then you can scale up. Now, I've created a series of videos that will cover each of these methods in more detail, showing how each of them will make you very good money, enough to quit your 9-to-5 and more. If you'd like to check out my amazing program that shows you step-by-step how to replace your income, then go to online-deals.me/replace or click the link in the first comment. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell to be notified of new videos as they are uploaded. The next video will be on the crowd favorite affiliate marketing. I will see you there.